Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to check block list on Facebook. Actually, it's very easy and quick, but you need to watch this video until the end so you won't skip any important steps. So first of all, you need to open your Facebook application, and then in this interface at the bottom right corner you need to click on the menu icon. Here it is. Then at the top right you need to click on the settings icon right up here. Then you will see this interface. You need to scroll down and find audience and visibility section and find then blocking option. Here it is. After that you will see your block list. So actually there are different options you can do. So first of all, you can click on the add to blocked list button and then type the name or a phone number of person you want to block. Or maybe if you want, you can click on the gray button unblock next to necessary one person and then click on the unblock button again, and then this person will be removed from this list. So, and that's all, and that's how to check block list on Facebook. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.